Naruto isn't just an anime, it's a whole journey. For some people, it was their very first anime. For others, it's the series that made them fall in love with anime. But even in 2025, Naruto is still worth watching, whether you are brand new to anime or just never give it a shot. Today, I will give you 6 solid reasons why you should watch Naruto. Reason number 1, the story of growth. Naruto starts off as a kid nobody likes. He's loud, annoying, and the whole village sees him as a monster. But there are things he didn't give up. His dream to become Hokage, the strongest ninja and leader of his village, and watching their journey from being hated to being respected is one of the best underdog stories in anime. Even 99% manhwa are made its same story, but they are bad. It's not about being perfect, it's about never giving up. That's why so many people connect with Naruto's story. It's make you feel like if he can do it, maybe you can too. Reason number 2, relatable themes. On the surface, Naruto looks like a battle shonen. Big fights, flashy jutsu, lots of scream. But underneath, it's about loneliness, friendship, revenge, and forgiveness. Character deal with things like losing family, being betrayed, or feeling like they does not belong. These are struggles we all face in real life, and that's why Naruto hits so hard. It's not just an enemy, it's a mirror of things people go through. Reason number 3, unforgettable characters. Naruto isn't the only star. The side characters are just as strong. Sasuke, the rival who carries the weight of his clan tragedy. Villains like Pain and Itachi, who makes you question what really makes someone a winner. Except these two. Every single character feels alive with their own struggles, dreams, and heartbreaks. And when their backstory hits you, when you are gonna cry, no matter how tough you think you are. Reason for epic fights. Let's be honest, Naruto fights are just a legendary. It's not just flashy jutsus, it's emotion. Rock Lee vs. Gara, a fight about proving yourself. Naruto vs. Sasuke, a fight about friendship and destiny. Naruto vs. Pain, a battle between hope and despair. Every fight feel like it's means something. And the animators, especially in Shippuden, give us some of the most iconic moments in anime history. This isn't just a fight, they are turning point in the history. Reason 5, world building. The world of Naruto is massive. Different hidden villages, grand and unique powers, forbidden techniques, and secret history. The more you watch, the more layer of ninja world you uncover. It's like a puzzle, and every arc give you new piece. That's why fans dive into theories and explore every detail. It's a world you can get lost in. Reason number 6, life lesson. If Naruto teaches you one thing, it's persistent. And believe it, it's not just a word, it's his way of life. He fails, he gets beaten down, but he always stand up again. This anime is full of lessons about never giving up, about forgiving people, finding your own path even when the world is against you. It's one of those shows that entertains you and motivate you at the same time. There are some bad factor about Naruto like fillers, but you can skip it. So those are the 7 reasons why you should watch Naruto in 2025. It is inspiring, emotional, full of unforgettable fights, and it has a world that will keep you hooked for hundreds of episodes. If you are ready to watch it, drop your favorite Naruto moment in this comment. This was Anime Story. Make sure to like and subscribe.